Sophie has a new toy. Yes, it's called a bumper mouse. Sophie, go get the mouse. Good job. Oh, she got it. She got it. Goes Cody. Is this your mouse? Is this your mouse? No, not me. That's your mouse. You better get it. Sophie, gotta do something about that mouse. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Come on. You can't just hold it. That's not fair. Yeah, that's your mouse, huh? That's your mouse. That's your mouse. Sophie. Are you gonna get that mouse? Are you gonna get that mouse? There goes. Go get that mouse. She's stalking it. She's hiding it behind that stuffed animal. Come on, Sophie. Go get the mouse. Get the mouse. You are such an adorable kitten. Even if you don't like the toys I buy you. Right, Cody? Right, Cody? Oh. Oh, now she's gonna get it. Oh, she killed it. Oh, Sophie. Hi, Cody. You wanted a mouse? You can have the mouse. Yes, you can. All right, Sophie. Say goodbye. Goodbye, Sophie. Sophie. There you go. Goodbye.